line, then you need to go. So this means that you still have 5 seconds left for you to cross the what do you call this? The crossroads. Yeah. Yan. So yan. Tapos ako. Yan. Then I only have this for my breakfast. Yan. Kasi alam mo naman dito pag nasa abroad ka kailangan so ready to go palagi. Time is very important. So yan, my OOTD for today. I'm just wearing Nike. Yan. Mainit yan sa katawan. Nike. And then pakilali. And then yan. That's it. So see you later.